This video explains how to buy shares of IPG Photonics Corp, a maker of high-power fiber lasers and photonic systems, and it trades on NASDAQ under the ticker IPGP. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. We use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker IPGP to locate IPG Photonics Corp. Select the listing that matches the company and NASDAQ market. On the stock page, check the basic company information and view the price chart to confirm this is the correct IPGP listing. Make sure the company description and exchange match what you expect. To place an order, choose Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order details before submitting. If the market is closed, your order will execute when it reopens, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After your order executes, the position will appear in your portfolio on the platform. A link to the example broker is in the video description if you want to follow these steps.